Getting ready for tomorrow. Need help?
No, I got this.
Alright, what do you do when you see a buck?
Safety or...
Okay. Safety off. Squeeze. Center punched him right in the heart, dude. You ready?
Yeah.
And wait for this my whole life. Got there. Buckeyes. Give me mine.
I had a Buckeye when I was a little guy.
One to G-Dog.
Alright, I get this one. Let me rub my Buckeye for good luck.
Alright, put it in your pocket.
Worse if you put it in your pocket.
She's coming. We gotta move, Dad. We gotta move. She's coming. Here she comes. Here she comes. Hold on. Hold on. Dad, make sure he doesn't shoot the window. Stand up. Hold on. Let her get broadside. With it, we gotta help. Do you see her? Hey,
I can't get her right now. She's gonna have to get...
You ready? Alright, nice and easy. Reload. Missed it. Oh, she's down. Yeah! She's down.
I think I only hit her on the lungs. I didn't get a heart, but...
Oh, she's down there.
One shot, young wolf.
The young wolf.
Dad, no, just in the lungs.
Did it have any kick?
It wasn't too much. It didn't... But I fell back. Aiming more 1 and 2, but you perfectly broadside.
Mama?
Hello?
I just shot a doe.
What? You got one?
Shot down.
Bobby! Oh, this is a big day. How you feeling?
It's not a buck, but...
Hey, Bob, you got a deer. You provided for your family.
Right on.
I still got a buck tag for rifle, so...
I think you got him. I think you smoked him, man.
Bobby. Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude.
I think I got one in that, I think I got double one. I got double one, Dad.
That was awesome.
I think that's double one.
I think you hit him, dude. Where?
Right there. 1, 2.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, here's some blood on that little twig.
There's
There's some
some.
blood. Where's that
Hard
guy?
to see blood in here. dude. Oh, let him expire, bub.
All right, so what do you think, bud? What happened this morning, young wolf?
Hold it out, bub.
What happened? What'd you see him?
I saw him probably about 7:01, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
And I don't know, my scope was kind of fogged up because the windows were.
Right.
So when my dad opened the window, I saw it clear,
Right.
and I shot. I'm not sure we're not sure where the entrance or the exit. I think the entrance is down
That's
Down
the
there.
exit, yeah.
There's the exit by your hand.
Yeah.
And that was what, about a 400-yard shot?
No, probably about
60.
About
Maybe
60 or so.
60, 50, maybe 40. Probably 40. I'm thinking.
Right.
Oh gosh, there's blood leaking out of him still.
Careful there. All right.
All righty.
There.
Hi! You made it, you stinky.
Hey, Dad.
You ready?
Like, he got a 7-pointer. Mine was an 8-pointer, so.
It's all right. He came out that side. I saw 4 and I pulled the trigger. It's got a big